This is smaller than I thought it was going to be. I don't know how big I thought it was going to be. I mean, I don't know. Not that speakers are what I'm talking about. I have the Logitech. Yeah, no, I wanted a wireless mouse, like a good one, really good. I normally don't like things that are popular, but when it comes to technology, I like the best. And anyway, I bought the Logitech MX Master 2S, and I loved it so much I bought the keyboard. I love the mouse so much I bought the MX Craft. Yeah, the Logitech Craft keyboard. And then when the only thing I don't like about the 2S is the fact that it used micro USB instead of USB-C. So when the MX3 mouse came out, I bought that as soon as possible. And I like the MX series, the MX mouse and the Craft keyboard. And hopefully I get the MX keyboard. I had to buy the MX speakers. Because right now I'm using a pair of $10 speakers I bought at Walmart, which don't sound too bad. They sound like a pair of $50 or $60 speakers. Well, I shouldn't say that. But I mean, they sound pretty good for $10 is what I mean. I don't know why I'm unraveling this. I don't know how to. I should unbag the speakers before I do anything else. Here's the right speaker. This is for boost. The bass boost comes out of here. So, and this is the left. Same thing as the right, except all the ports are on the right side, and I'm assuming this cable plugs in to this port here. Take my camera off the tripod. I'm gonna I'm gonna play you some of this non-copyright stuff. By the way, I don't know about anybody else. I am sick to death of this copyright shit. These companies need to just let us play whatever we want. These are the $10 speakers I was talking about. So
It's 3 o'clock.
I'm gonna hook up the other ones, my new ones, and then we're gonna do another little sound test. Okay. I've got the speakers plugged in. I mean, I've got them turned on. I don't have them plugged into the Mac yet. You can see I've got the Logitech Craft MX3. I've got the software. I haven't been able to see this on YouTube, but I want to know if I plug these speakers in, will this software detect them? Okay, I've got them plugged in and they're powered on. I'm gonna quit Boom 3D on. Sorry about the shaky camera. I gotta operate this with my right hand. Well, I'm holding the camera with my left hand. Yep, I like them. Oh, hold on. So what Boom 3D does is it basically it equalizes the sound and makes everything louder and sort of balances the sound. I'm sorry that I can't handle the camera very good. But yeah, I'm a little disappointed. This software doesn't do what I want it to do. It only detects Bluetooth devices. Oh well.